Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, Jan's Crazy Life. So this is the final and last book that goes to Pam, which is Tater's mom, from Rhonda Ensey. And the delay on it was on me. She lives like, I don't know, about 5 miles from me, and I was going to go meet her, and I've had a lot of personal things going on, but I went and met her, and how amazing is this? Like, look at this. I didn't even peek at it because she tied this bow so pretty that I was scared that if I opened it, I wouldn't be able to, you know, put it back together, but we're going to try. Look at the cover on this. How pretty is this? And she's got these like three-dimensional spiders that are glittered out. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at all the tabs and like all the stuff coming out. Okay, let's open this up. Pam's gonna love this. Alright, so she's got tulle as her closure, and I love it. There's like 3 pieces, and it ties and makes that beautiful bow. And when you first open it, there is this pocket, which is so adorable. And it's got so much stuff in here. Oh, look. She also sent some friend mail with me, but I think this, I'm going to do it separately. But she sent Elijah some Matchbox cards, and he loved them. So there is, oh, look at this. I love the lace she put behind it. Rhonda, this is so cute. It says this book belongs to, she wrote, and so Pam can write her name or whatever. Look how beautiful. Wow, Rhonda. Alright, it says October, and then she has all these goodies that go back in this pocket. Look at this spider and how she put behind it. And then it says, home is where you hang your broom. How cute. The layering though. And then she's got a pocket right here. Hold on, let's see. Oh, look how cute this is. So cute. And then I love that you marked it to where you know that there's a pocket there. It says booze to you. It's so cute. Beautiful paper. Look right here. It says hello my pretty. And it's kind of like, feels like a napkin, but almost like handmade paper. Beautiful trim all down the pages. She's got another pocket here with a tag. And I love that you stuck them out where you can see them. Look how cute this one is. Alright, I'm going to put it back right where you got it. And then there is a tuck spot there with a little envelope that she has made with, oh look. Look how pretty the layering. Rhonda's always been really good at layering. Anything I've ever got from her, I'm always amazed at her layering. So in here are a bunch of these skulls. But what I want to say about this paper is it almost feels like it is, I love that she put this in here to stabilize it. It feels like it's glassine, am I saying that right? It's so cool though, the feel. I think that's why I love paper so much, is the texture. Hold on, I'm gonna put this back on my lap to stick this little card back in there without ripping it. Okay. So this goes here in a tuck spot. I love all this. Here she's got this amazing pocket with amazing goodies. So cute. And then I love the washi. You're like really good with the washi, Rhonda. It goes all the way around. And then she's got, this is a great place to journal. Look at this trim on this page. The trim, look at this house, and then a space to journal on both sides. Oh, look at this page. Okay, she's got a bookmark. Spooky, the trim all the way around, amazing. Look at this. It's an owl up here, and then it's like the ghost is going up the stairs, or it's like a window pane. But look how pretty this is. And it's so pretty. It says boo. Look at this trim. And there is another pocket right here. And she's got all these spider webs. And then she's got this beautiful pocket here with 2 tags on it. I love this way you made this pocket. And then she has a tuck spot here. And so it's a side tuck, and it says, hold your candle steady and keep a sharp lookout, for among the shadows you'll see goblins peeping out. That's cute. But there's an owl behind it, but look at this trim. That must have took forever to put that on there. So there's another pocket here, and she's got this beautiful like journaling card with a tab on it. So pretty. And then she's got this pocket here. So it's a tuck spot there and a pocket up here. And then there is this spot. There's a side tuck here. And she's got some journaling cards. And then look how pretty it is with the washi. So she has a piece of paper, but then she's got washi. It says Scream, the spider web. And then there's a spider web here, and she's got these little spiders, but she put bling all over them. Spider paper. And then this is pretty good. She was all worried, like, it's my first one. This is pretty magical. Alright, so that is behind here. Okay, I'm watching my camera to make sure. Nothing worse than you recording and it turns off. Alright, Trick or Treat, washi all the way around, which is beautiful. She's got a pocket here, and there is one of those mason jars, and there's all kinds of goodies in here. That's cute. Another one of those beautiful little... But I love that she put on these pockets how it pops up. So there's this little house. The trim, though, Rhonda, the trim. So here is a brad. There's a pocket here. And look how amazing this is, guys. Journaling card and some tags. Look at this trim. It's like purple lace and then black tiny pom-pom trim. Look at the spider webs and all the spiders and how they're all blinged out. Then there's this page where it has a tuck at the side. So cute with the spiders, the skull. And then here's a spider web that is a tuck spot, right? Oh, look. And it's a little book that she made. Oh, Rhonda, that's cute. No tricks, just treats. For real. And then I'm going to put that back in its tuck spot. And then up here, there's this cute little spider with the spider web. It says Happy Halloween. Love the bling. The trim. I love Velvet's trim. So over here, she has a paper clip on it. And then there is, oh look, how adorable. And then that goes in the tuck side pocket. And then there's a journaling card. And, hold on. Put that back. Did I miss? I did miss the pocket. In this pocket, she's got a whole thing of stickers where she decorated the top. And then this. I love this. I don't know if you made that. There's some journaling cards in there. And I'm going to put this right on back in there. And then we'll put this back in the tuck spot. And then there is this page, which is beautiful, with this beautiful trim on the side. Here is another bookmark. And then there's this page. So cute. I love the feel of these. They're almost like plasticky. She's got a tuck spot down here. It says Yikes. And it's got this little coin envelope. And inside of it, she's got all kinds of ephemera and goodies for Pam. And alright, sticking that in the pocket. So there is another pocket over here. Oh, look how she cut this out and made it like a little house. But then it's a coffin and she put washi behind it. That's adorable and creative. So amazing. Look at this page. I love all the details. It was funny, she was like, I don't know, I didn't plan for it to be that big, but I just kept adding and adding. So there is a text spot here, a belly band with these journaling cards. And then there is a side pocket again. And look how cute that is. And then there's this page. So there's a bottom tuck. This jack-o'-lantern is a text spot, and the boo and the jack-o'-lantern kind of hold it. But I'm going to move the journaling cards. Look at little witch hats with the stones on them. And then, oh, so cute. Look at this. So she's got this that's hanging from the page. It has a key on it. It says boo. I love the trim. This flips up. Look at this beautiful purple trim. Wow. So in here, look how pretty this is. Okay, do y'all see the bows? Amazing at tying the bows. So it says eek, and this says boo. So cute. Okay, so this page has trim on it, and it's got a journaling spot, and then here is a tuck spot behind the jack-o'-lantern. Beware. Love the bling. And then there is pocket there. And then look at the owl. I love this. Hold on. Let me hold it like this so you guys can see. Look at this pocket with all the spiders. And then there's a little bitty coin envelope. Hold on. Come on, Jen, you got this. And in here, there's all kinds of goodies. I can fill all kinds of stuff. Let me turn it this way. Oh, she's got even more stuff in there, but look. How cute is this? Adorable. And then there is... Alright. So there is... Look at this tab. It's a spider tab, but it's onto this side. I love how each page is different, completely different. So there is a bottom tuck. This one is a side tuck. Love the witch. Love this glitter paper. And then there is this little book that she made. The skull. I love it. She put flowers. So cute. And then a journaling card. And then up here on the side pocket, she made this adorable tag. Look at the bat and the bling, the raven. And then she did that one. So then there is, look at this beautiful page. Love that. Double. Toll and Trouble. That's so cute. And then there's this page, and look, in the side pocket there are rub-ons. So generous of her. Let's stick that back in there. Beautiful trim in that side pocket. And then this page, I love. Look at these little ravens. Kelly Fuller is obsessed with ravens, so now every time I see them, I think of her. This whole page is made with washi. Can y'all see that? That took some patience and time, but I love it. And then the last but not least page is this beautiful page. Beautiful journal. She put a little note in there, and then she put handmade by Rhonda Ensey. Rhonda, this is amazing. So she sent me some friend mail, but I'm going to do that separate because I don't want people to be like, oh, the video's too long, and not watch her beautiful creation that she made. So I hope that you guys, Rhonda is on Instagram, I will link it. She doesn't do videos, and she's also in our Facebook group. So guys, don't forget to follow her on Instagram, and I hope I will get this out to Pam ASAP, and I hope that you guys, Tater's mom, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
What you like to do?